let me go over installation instructions. It's pretty easy, but let me explain you step by step when you receive the unit, your controller, what you should expect. So you will see a main control unit. That's your player that plays your digital eyes. I attach two harnesses, so two wires going to each one. It's no left and right, so it doesn't matter which one you're gonna use for left or right. And if you're gonna decide to use only one, either one will work. And if you're not using one, you can just unplug one. Just be carefully. Just pull it out. Okay. Just pay attention. On a controller, you have wire connection harness. So basically, just remember red wires needs to be um, close to this blue connector, your select button, or select extension button right here. So basically, remember red one close to this one, and brown one to the end of the board. Okay, that's the main thing to remember, and make sure they're all plugged directly here. And you can switch your eyes using select button if you purchase this version 2. Select button right here on board. And if you purchase extension, that's your 36-inch extension, you can get, this is 18-inch. You can get 36-inch extension, or if you need a custom-made longer one or shorter one, let me know. They plug in here. So make sure you use a small fine screwdriver like this one, and unscrew. It's a flat one right here. So don't force it. Just unscrew all the way counterclockwise, and on both screws, so counterclockwise, will have small opening. So don't force your connector. This one, don't force it. If it doesn't go, don't force it. So what you can do, use a screwdriver or something, just make that hole open this hole a little bit. Just make sure it's open all the way, and push it in. So push like that. Push second one. Okay, so it's almost all the way in. Okay, and clockwise, tighten it down. Okay, that's all. That will make sure its connection is secure. So now you have extension. You can switch your eyes using this extension. Okay, just remember that one. Okay, let me unplug for a second. We're not gonna need it. Now has a 2 USB connection. It's part of the board. You can power using either one. So when you have a provided USB port or USB-C connector cable, it's in the kit. Use either one to power on, and when you plug it in, you will get a red light. Red light, it means its unit is on. You have a power and digital eyes working automatically. Now let's go to this end. I'm marking down basically your arrow towards the white line. What it means on your eyes, this is a 1.28 inches, so 35 millimeter lens, your screens. What it means, this one, white line needs to meet with white line. So you have this 1.27 inch, it has 7 pin. So 7 pin needs to meet with 7 pin right here. Okay, just make sure it's all the way, push it in all the way, it's done. So basically, that's why I put this arrow for you. That arrow means you have to meet that white line needs to meet white line. Okay, so just pay attention when you plug it in. Make sure you're not gonna skip holes this way or that way. Okay, just make sure you're doing that way. New board coming in right now. We have a version with 20 millimeter. It's a 0.71 inch screen. It's very tiny. Here's your comparison to 1.28. It's very tiny. So this screen has 8-pin connection, but same concept. You have 8 pin, needs to meet 8 pins right here, just like that. plug it in. Okay, if you plug it in reverse, you will have a chance to damage the screens, but most likely it's not, but you have a chance. But most likely it's not gonna damage it. But make sure if you have no video, make sure it's not reverse. Just plug it here. Okay, that way. Okay, that's an 8-pin connection. Put this aside. Another question, how we can attach lens to the screen. So here's my lens. In the kit, I'm including now this two-sided tape, it's adhesive tape. So what we're doing here, best thing I recommend, make sure you fit it to your prop, make sure it's lined up correctly. Measurements you can see in my website and the listing. You're gonna see measurements of this lens. It's 35.8 millimeter lens. It's from edge to edge. And what you're gonna do first, try it, make sure it fits right here, make sure it fits right to your prop. Wires, it's the top of your screen. So when you have your blinking eye working, this is your top of the screen. This is the top of the eye. This is the bottom. So remember, this is the top of the eye. Same thing here with a smaller screen. Same concept. It's the top of the eye. Okay. So when you have your prop, make sure you are like dry fitted basically. Make sure before gluing anything. Make sure it's lined up correctly. Make sure you like the position. And so attach the lens first. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take the lens, remove a rear protection film. Sorry, I'm using this camera, so I have to use watching you through the screen. So we're removing that protection film. Make sure it's clean. If you have a dirt or something, use alcohol. It's a plastic one, so alcohol not gonna damage it. So put this on the side or just hold it like that. Try to open your tape on one side. You have use your nails. Okay, see one side is like it's a protect tape. This one has a film. So put it, drop it. Just line up correctly. So let me look straight. Line up one side. Just from side to side. Okay, this tape is pretty strong. Okay, so now it's lined up. It's a 3M tape, it's very strong. Looks all the way clean. Now what we're gonna do, we are removing this fade. Yeah, leave with your nails. See protection. The second side of the tape. You can see that adhesive stays there. Get your screen. Remove that one. So basically what you're gonna do with your fingers, like kind of like make sure it like put like on the edges, hold all edges together and bring it together and squish it. Now you can feel with your fingers, right? Basically it's all lined up, because this portion is completely round except this part. So just make sure it's straight like that. And when you're ready, just remove that protection film and you have a lens attached. I designed my video files be a little bit smaller. Sometimes you see like, oh, why it's video smaller, because lens give you magnification. So that tape it's invisible, you're not gonna see it. It's pretty strong. If you feel like lens coming out or something else, what you can do, you can use a hot glue. That was the original method. Use a little bit hot glue on the sides, 1, 2, like 3, 4 dots don't overdo with the hot glue. You don't have to. Just put 1, 2, 3, 4 like dots around with the hot glue. Make sure its screen is not plugged in. With hot glue, it's conductive, and when it's on, you may have a chance to put a short on the screen. So make sure it's all unplugged. Put a hot glue. Its screen is attached. If you want to redo it, just put alcohol, dissolve it, remove the everything, and just do it again. Okay, if you need additional round ones, contact me. You can get replacement from my website. It's going to be listed soon. Okay, so this is done. This is not done, so we're not going to do it. It's just example. Put that on the side. So what we're going to do, so screen is unplugged. So once again, it's on top. Red one goes always on the left side of the screen, is my left. So just like that, just remember. If you have basic knowledge, it's like we're gonna see like what's here. So make sure that writing matching this one on the board. So VCC on this side. But try to put that line on every screen, so you know it's much easier for people to understand the concept. So this one is a no screen. It has protection film. This is like it's done. Take you like about 10 seconds to put them on, or 20 seconds. Get your USB. Plug it in. Have your digital eyes going. So here's your two screens. Let me turn off background light. There we go. So you can see it has magnification. It's pretty close to human size. Okay. So now you can switch this button on board. You can switch your modes. Okay, so if you need any customization, contact me. Lots of stuff I did, lots of eyes I did for customs, colors or position or sizing. Okay, there you go. That's your basic installation tips. Thank you.